Hello guys and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate creative LinkedIn post ideas for professionals using ChatGPT. This will help you stay active on LinkedIn and build your personal brand effectively. Let's get started. Staying consistent with LinkedIn posts is key to growing your network and showcasing your expertise. However, coming up with fresh and engaging content ideas can be challenging. ChatGPT makes this process easier by generating tailored post suggestions based on your industry and goals. Begin by opening ChatGPT and logging into your account. Then type a prompt like, generate 10 LinkedIn post ideas for professionals in the marketing industry focusing on leadership and career growth. Be specific about your profession and the themes you want. ChatGPT will provide a variety of ideas such as sharing success stories, industry tips, motivational quotes, or questions to spark engagement. You can then customize these ideas with your personal insights or experiences. Using ChatGPT to brainstorm LinkedIn posts saves time and keeps your content relevant and interesting. This helps you connect better with your audience and grow your professional presence. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.